AES Corporation, the global power company, meeting global energy needs, dedicated to supply safe, clean, and reliable electricity at competitive rates in a socially responsible way. The story of AES began in 1981 when co-founders Roger Sant and Dennis Barkey established Applied Energy Services. Construction of first power plant started way back in 1983 in the USA. In 1991, the company was renamed as AES Corporation. Today, it is the world's largest independent power producer. The company develops, constructs, operates, and maintains power generating plants around the globe. Presently, AES is generating over 53,000 megawatts, and well over 100 business development activities are ongoing in 40 countries. On completion of these projects, our power generation capacity will be doubled. 19 distribution companies and new ventures in communication add diversity to our business. We are serving the world in 6 out of 7 continents. Currently, we are producing power in 23 countries, including, but not limited to, the United States of America, Dominican Republic, Canada, Argentina, Brazil, Hungary, China, Pakistan, Kazakhstan, the Netherlands, Australia, India, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. At the core of the AES corporate culture is a commitment to share principles and values: integrity, fairness, fun at work, and social responsibility. The principles chart the way and serve as a compass to behave and work as responsible AES people. The government of Pakistan announced a new energy policy in 1994. In the light of this policy, AES announced to build, construct, maintain, and operate 2 oil-fired power plants of 360 megawatts each. Prior to construction, a complete survey of the site was conducted, keeping in mind available resources and infrastructure. Both the plants were constructed about 60 kilometers away from the city of Multan at a place commonly known as Lal Pir. The 2 power plants are named as AES Lal Pir and AES Pak Gen. The entire project is spread over an area of 350 acres. The total project was built with a cost of $700 million. During the construction phase, 6,000 people from nearby areas and villages were involved. This facility was built using the most modern technology. AES, with the cooperation of Mitsubishi Heavy Industries of Japan, the primary contractor of Nichiman Corporation, the EPC contractor, Descon, and Habib Rafiq of Pakistan, completed the project in a record period of 33 months. Commercial operation of Lal Pir commenced on 6th of November 1997 and that of Pak Gen on 1st of February 1998. This was indeed a remarkable accomplishment. Mr. Dennis Barkey commonly refers to this as Miracle of Mahmood Court. Both the units are based on conventional oil-fired boilers and steam turbine generators. The plant has the biggest steam turbines in Pakistan. At the plant, all environmental and safety measures are strictly adhered to. The water for the plant is acquired from Muzaffargarh Canal and is pumped to the plant by the pumping station located at the canal. During water shortages in the canal, the water requirement is met through 12 deep water wells. These wells not only provide water for the plant, but also lower the water table and help prevent water logging in the area. We are committed to maintain a clean environment and ecological balance. For this purpose, FGD system is installed at Pak Gen to remove harmful sulfur dioxide from flue gases. This is also in compliance with the World Bank guidelines for environmental protection. Ours is the first and only power plant in Pakistan to employ emission control system. Gypsum is the byproduct of FGD process. It is our intention that neighboring farming communities should benefit from this product as it is an excellent soil additive. This will be supplied free of charge to the local farmers. We have fuel purchase agreement to buy residual fuel oil from PSO. Presently, we receive fuel through a pipeline from PSO fuel tanks situated at a distance of 1.5 kilometers. PSO receives oil from Parco, the mid-country refinery in our vicinity. AES Lal Pir has the largest oil storage capacity of 150,000 cubic meters and the most reliable standby decanting facility of 4,000 cubic meters per day. Ours is a model community. A congenial environment with all the amenities exists to live our values. Crowning the sports facilities is our 9-hole lush green golf course. There is a small shopping center where all necessary commodities of daily use are available. We have an excellent clinic with qualified staff, serving AES people and the neighbors. Twice a week, this clinic provides free medical care for the local people of surrounding areas. So far, we have treated nearly 20,000 patients. We have a comprehensive schooling facility to cater for the educational needs of our children and those of our neighbors. Here we strive for academic excellence. Today, as a result of a fully operational power complex, AES Lal Pir and Pak Gen contribute to provide safe and clean power to millions of people. We have electrified 15 villages and endeavored to illuminate homes and to convert the darkness of night into the light of day. Continuing to work within our values, there are major socio-economic benefits in the realm of ecology, health, education, infrastructure, and philanthropy for the society at large. Pakistan's Golden Jubilee was celebrated by AES by inaugurating a mass afforestation program on 14th of August 1997. 750 acres of barren land have been afforested so far, giving employment to 60 locals and making barren lands of 80 farmers cultivable. Over the project cycle, 7,000 acres of land is to be afforested. This will mitigate carbon dioxide emissions in the environment. We have built 4 schools in Gujarat, Lal Pir, and Mahmood Court, where hundreds of young girls and boys enter to learn, to serve. With the same token, we augmented facilities at nearly 10 schools in the neighborhood. 252 deserving students from 8 villages are being sponsored in different schools of this area. We sponsor deserving students to professional colleges on case-to-case basis. Little Angels program is the crown jewel of our social responsibility program. Community ladies voluntarily impart education to houseboys and girls. All the expenses of these young children are borne by the company. We have built 10 kilometers of metal roads and 12 kilometers earth-filled farm-to-market access roads, facilitating the people. We build bridges linking different villages, up to now 4. But we continue to build bridges. We have donated a diagnostic center at District Headquarters Hospital Muzaffargarh, the only facility for 2.5 million people in the district. In philanthropy, we have donated 10 family homes to SOS Village Multan, catering to 200 parentless God's children. In the same vein, we helped cyclone-hit people in Thatta, Sindh, and earthquake victims in Turkey. To carry on with social responsibility plan, we intend to spend 500 million rupees in Pakistan over the project cycle to alleviate poverty, to promote education, and to meet the people's needs.
Over the last few years, AES has shown its commitment to both the power sector and the people of Pakistan. We have built a first-class facility here at Lal Pir, which has consistently achieved over 90% availability since our commercial operations date 3 years ago. However, our commitment does not end here. Through a number of social responsibility programs, we have continued to show our dedication to Pakistan. I have spent the last 5 years here in Pakistan, during which time I have enjoyed good relationships with the government of Pakistan, WAPTA, PSO, and the local communities. During this time, I have seen entire villages illuminated where they once sat in darkness. I've seen barren land transferred into beautiful forest, and children who once studied in the open air now study in proper classrooms. So I am proud to say that yes, we are making a difference here in Pakistan.
19th of February 2001. A happy day at AES. Today, the Chief Executive of Pakistan, General Pervez Musharraf, is to visit the facility. Dale Sinclair apprised the Chief Executive about AES and its social responsibility program. The General highly appreciated the good work done by the company in Pakistan. The most important contribution we as AES people hope to make in Pakistan is to show the people a different way of doing business and a different way to treat people. And we believe this can be done by using our shared values of integrity, fairness, fun at work, and social responsibility.